Hi everybody, back again with more Revit training, and we're going to look at architecture training today, and we're going to create a roof by footprint. We're going to do several roof types in this exercise. So we're going to open our floor plans roof here. Let's see. I don't see it. Okay. So what we'll do now is we're going to have to create. Let's go to floor plan. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Now we have our floor plans roof drawing selected. And what we want to do is we want to right click here and hide this stuff here. So we want to hide in view. Let's hide category. And let's also hide these section marks. Okay, now we can work here. Now, the first thing we want to do is in the architectural build panel, we want to select roof, and we want to go with a roof by footprint. Okay, now once we have that done, then we want to go to option bars, and we want to deselect. We want to clear this option here, because we don't have any slopes. And then we'll hit the pick walls, and we'll go in and select these walls. Bring this up a little better here. Select this wall, and I think we want to finish this off here. Extend the intersect, and there's our walls for our roof, and then we got our roof types here. We're just gonna go with the 12-inch generic, and we'll hit finish. And there's our roof. So let's have a look in our 3D view now. So there's our roof we just placed, just created. Now, next we want to rotate this guy around here and look at this pool area here. We've got a pool, and we want to place a roof on here. I think we got a soffit in here, and we've got a wall. So what we like to do now is we want to go in here and let's see how we're going to do this. We want to duplicate a copy of floor 2. So let's go to the second floor here. Now we have it selected. And then we want to duplicate this floor right here. We want to duplicate this floor. We want to duplicate without detailing. So now we have that floor duplicated. Okay, now while we're on that floor, we want to rename this. Let's rename this guy to, let's call it roof pool house. And there we go. So now we have that selected, and we're in that view. Now in the properties area, you want to select our view range here. There it is. You want to edit the view range. We need to see some stuff. And now in this view, we want to have our top view as level 4. So that's probably how high the roof's going up. And our level below, our bottom level would be floor 1. we'll set this also as floor 1. And then we'll say OK. Apply. And OK. Now we wanna expand this crop view here. So let's turn on our crop vision, our crop view, and we want to pull this out. And we should see our, there it is, there's our pool now. So we're gonna pull this out, and really we don't need to see any of this. So we can pull this guy right here to here, and we can adjust these as well. Let's just zoom in here. Now we can hide our grid line. So let's hide in view again, hide category. And then we have just our pool. Okay, now in the architecture tab again, let's go into our roof again. And we want to do a roof by footprint once again. And we want to define that this is clear. We don't want any overhangs here. And from the draw panel, we wanted to pick walls again. So now we want to use the pick walls, and then we want to use the pick lines to do the soffit opening. So we want to pick these walls. And then for the soffit, we want to hit the pick line command for this opening here. And then we'll click finish. Okay, now with the roof, we still have it selected, so we want to change the type of roof here. So we want to go with a 12-inch generic roof. We have that selected. Our base level will be floor 2. And that's defaulted. And then our offset from our base level will be -2. So let's put -2 right here. And now we want to click out here to release the roof. Now, let's click on the wall command now. Now, in our properties, the wall type we want to use here is going to be, let's see. We want to use exterior EIFS metal stud. We'll select that guy. And our location will be finished face. We want to go finished face exterior. Now let's make that interior. Our base constraint is going to be floor 2. Our base offset will be -1. -1, I'm sorry. And the top constraint will be unconnected. And our unconnected height will be 1 foot. And now we want to draw this around the opening here. So let's go from here to that one there to there. And now we want to click roof by footprint again. And now in the options bar, we want to select the define slopes this time. And we're going to go to pick walls. And let's pick these new walls here. This wall, and this wall. And then we'll click our finish button, green check mark. And there's a wall. Now in the type selector, we want to select and we want to say no here. And then our type selector, we want to select slope glazing roof pool. And Revit's doing this thing. And there we have our roof. Now let's go look at this in our 3D view. And there's our roof. So hey folks, we just created two roof types with a soffit, and then we did our roof on our top. So hey guys, thanks you for watching my videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section. If you help me out a lot if you subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.